Well, what do we have here? Looks like it's expandable local storage. Security camera unit. What kind? Nice. Friggin' batteries. What does it say? 200 and some days of battery. 210 days battery life. It's got the friggin' 1080p's and the 2Ks onto it for extra sounding. 145 degree stovepipe. I'll have to download the appy and friggin' bring it up on the phone there. Good lord. Oh no. Looks like we probably might need an instruction or two. Hopefully it comes with instructions. Couple holsters. Pamphlet, screws, interwebs, winer. Decent. Should plug these bastards in and charge them up. USB-C. Remove the film first for best video image quality. You think? Yeah, man. Little papitodactyls. Little papitodactyls. What is that for? Just told me to get that. Oh, great. Okay, false alarm. This is the Baseus friggin' security. I have the wrong polarity on there. Just binding the home station. No big deal.
Ready to add the device. Add the device successfully.
Friggin' decent. Well, there we go. Easy peasy. Got the friggin' drive words. And then up the friggin' road, I got the dumpster over there. The friggin' dumpster right over there. So guys come along and they friggin' want to dump propane tanks in there. So then I can friggin' saunter to the woods and go to their house and drop them back off. A couple extra things, but not too bad. And it records on that friggin' box too, so you don't have to get SD cards or anything. You can get a bigger what's it. Just put her in. Can't barely show it because they're through reflection, but looks pretty good. Can zoom in big time too. Nice. Little front door, back door action, and a little side of the fence action. Not sure if that's where I'll keep them or not, but for now, that'll do for a movie probably. But yeah, I'll put the link in the prescription. Baseus security cameras. Seem to do the trick. Easy to set up. Friggin' record all the different activities, send you notifications. You can set it up for different, you know, see I just got notifications coming in the house there, so we'll set it up so that, yeah, it's not quite so sensitive on the door camera and a little bit more on the dumpster camera probably, and then it'll be more awesome. You can get a pretty good view all the way across the yard there, so it's pretty good. If anybody's dumping propane tanks in my dumpster, I'm gonna catch them. Probably. Well, they're telling me this home station's got the 16 gigabytes, and it's about 3 months worth of the data storage. And during this time, the TUV certification, it can protect your privacy, is not leaked. There is no hidden fee during use. So, funny that. Turns out this is the most prominent and advantageous feature compared to other products. You go to Yappy, you just got the home station, and you can do your settings and your different things, and same with the playback events. Just getting the shot terrible. And you can just export it onto your camera roll, bloop, put it in a movie. I'll try to get some shots, of course. It also has night vision feature onto it too, so we'll try to get some shots of that, but being of the daylight factor, that might be a little bit of the difficulties. But yeah, there we go. Friggin' little testapini of the friggin' Baseus security cameras there, and friggin' stovepipes your sister. But anyways, boys, I go.